Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up alarms on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Let's get started. So for this, just swipe up to open all of the applications, and here find this icon with a clock, which is for an alarm. And now you can see two options. You can either add on watch or add on the phone. Let's choose watch first. Now you can set hours and minutes just by swiping down or up, then tap next button, and here you can customize your alarm. So you can repeat it weekly, or you can just select days in which you want for this alarm to repeat, and then confirm by tapping done button. You can also name your alarm if you like, and then confirm by tapping this check mark. And now let's choose a sound for this alarm. For this, let's choose Dream, for example. And now let's switch to Classic. And you can also disable this sound just by tapping on this switcher. And now let's choose a vibration, for example, this Simple. And you can also disable it by tapping on this switcher or enable. And as for this snooze, you can set to repeat it 3 times, for example, in the interval of 10 minutes or 5 minutes or 15 or 30 minutes. And when you're done, just tap this save button. And now you can do just the same on your phone. So tap this option and it will be immediately opened on your phone. So as before, choose hours and minutes, choose in which days you want to repeat. You can also name it here and enable alarm sound, vibration, snooze, and customize these sections. And then you're done, just click save button. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.